Alright, here's another short video. I'm just going to take a ride on the H2 here. I'm using a RAM mount this time. This is just basically trying to find good places to put the GoPro on this particular bike, or some similar to it. This bike shakes a lot, so the handlebar mount is probably not going to work as well as the one that I put in the turn signal did. But I'm trying to find one that I can catch the gauges. I don't really like wearing one stuck on the front of my helmet. So I'm going to try to mount this on the bar. Again, I'm using a RAM mount with a couple adapters. I'm using a GoPro Hero 10 with the stabilization on. I'm going to mount it up there, take it a quick ride, and we'll see how well it holds up and what it looks like. Alright, so on the bike it actually looks pretty good. Hopefully it doesn't vibrate too much or the stabilization fixes it. Alright, a couple little changes there. I moved it around a little bit. So basically I've got a RAM bar clamp, an extension. I think that's the longer 3-inch extension. I've got a RAM to GoPro mount on the top, and then of course just the regular GoPro locking mount on there. I can pull that a little farther away once I watch the video back. I've got a longer one of these so I can bring it back a little further, but again I think just the bars, since the bars vibrate so much on this bike,